Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence or AI, a realm where machines exhibit human-like intelligence, learning from their experiences and adapting to new inputs. It's an intriguing concept that has not only captured our imaginations, but also ingrained itself into our daily lives. Think about it. When you ask your smartphone's voice assistant for the weather forecast, that's AI at work. When an online store suggests products based on your browsing history, that's AI again. And the self-driving cars that we see in sci-fi movies? You guessed it, AI is the powerhouse behind them. Artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword in the tech world, it is a reality that has transformed our lives in ways we never predicted. As we move forward, AI continues to evolve, learning, adapting, and growing smarter. Artificial intelligence, a fascinating concept that has seamlessly integrated into our lives, continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace. The roots of AI are deep and far-reaching, with a timeline stretching back over 7 decades. It all started in the 1950s when scientists began to toy with the idea of creating machines that could mimic human intelligence. This era saw the birth of the first AI programs, with chess-playing computers and language translation machines being the pioneers. The 1960s and early 70s saw a surge of optimism. Scientists predicted that a fully intelligent machine would be built within a generation. However, the reality was not so rosy. AI's lofty promises were far from being realized, leading to a period known as the AI winter in the late 70s and 80s. Funding dried up and interest waned as the limitations of AI became apparent. But like a phoenix rising from the ashes, AI made a resounding comeback in the 1990s. This resurgence was largely driven by the advent of the World Wide Web and an explosion in computational power. Machine learning emerged as a practical application of AI, capable of recognizing patterns in large datasets. The 90s also saw the triumph of IBM's Deep Blue, a chess-playing computer that defeated the reigning world champion Garry Kasparov, marking a significant milestone in AI development. The dawn of the 21st century brought with it a new era of AI, characterized by rapid advancements and widespread applications. The power of AI was unleashed with the development of sophisticated algorithms and neural networks, mimicking the human brain's own functions. This period has seen the rise of virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, autonomous vehicles, and AI in healthcare, to name just a few. In the last decade, AI has evolved to include deep learning, where artificial neural networks are expanded into sprawling networks with a colossal number of layers that are trained using massive amounts of data. From a mere concept to a powerful tool, AI has indeed come a long way. And as we stand on the brink of a new decade, the future of AI seems more promising than ever, heralding an era where AI might not just augment human intelligence, but potentially transcend it. Today, artificial intelligence is not just a concept, it's a reality that's transforming the world around us. Let's take a look at how AI is currently being utilized across various sectors. In healthcare, AI algorithms are helping doctors diagnose diseases more accurately and faster than ever before. They're analyzing medical images, predicting patient outcomes, and even assisting in surgeries. But it's not just about diagnosis and treatment. AI is also helping us understand health trends and outbreaks, leading to more proactive public health policies. In the financial sector, AI has become a game changer. It's driving the rise of robo-advisors, automated systems that provide financial advice or investment management online with minimal human intervention. These systems use AI to analyze market trends and make investment recommendations. AI is also helping banks detect fraudulent activities more efficiently, saving millions of dollars every year. Over in the transportation industry, AI is the driving force behind autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars use AI to interpret data from sensors, make decisions, and navigate roads safely. These vehicles hold the promise of reducing traffic accidents and creating more efficient transportation systems. And let's not forget about entertainment. AI is revolutionizing the way we consume content. Streaming platforms use AI to analyze our viewing patterns and recommend shows and movies we might like. Video games are becoming more realistic and immersive, thanks to AI algorithms that generate dynamic environments and responsive characters. However, the use of AI is not without its challenges. Concerns about data privacy, job displacement, and the ethical implications of AI decision-making are some of the issues that we need to address as we continue to integrate AI into our lives. But despite these challenges, the benefits of AI are undeniable. It's making our lives easier, our work more efficient, and our world more connected. As we continue to innovate and push the boundaries of technology, AI is proving to be an invaluable tool in solving complex problems and creating a better future. So where are we headed? What does the future hold for AI? It's a question that sparks curiosity and speculation, and the answer is as vast as the horizon itself. The potential for AI is limitless, and it's set to transform not just our technology, but our society as a whole. Imagine a world where transportation is entirely autonomous, where self-driving cars aren't just a novelty, but the standard. Not only could this revolutionize the way we travel, but it could drastically reduce accidents, making our roads safer for everyone. In the realm of healthcare, AI could become a cornerstone of diagnosis and treatment. Intelligent systems could analyze vast amounts of medical data in seconds, identifying patterns and anomalies that might take a human doctor hours, if not days, to recognize. This could lead to earlier detection of diseases and more effective treatments, potentially saving countless lives. Education is another sector poised for AI revolution. Personalized learning experiences, tailored to each student's unique needs and learning pace, could become the norm. Imagine a virtual tutor that knows exactly where a student is struggling and can adapt teaching methods accordingly. This could transform education, making it more accessible and effective. However, with these advancements come challenges. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, issues around privacy and security become increasingly important. The potential for misuse of AI technologies is a real concern, and one that needs to be addressed by lawmakers and tech companies alike. Moreover, as AI automates more tasks, we must consider the impact on employment. While AI can create new jobs, it can also render others obsolete. It's a delicate balance and one that calls for thoughtful planning and preparation. So, what's the future of AI? It's a world of potential, of innovation, of unimaginable progress. But it's also a world that demands our attention, our vigilance, and our responsibility. As we step into this future, we must navigate it wisely, ensuring that the benefits of AI outweigh its challenges. As we look to the future, one thing is clear: AI is not just a tool for progress, it's the driving force behind it. Our journey through the world of AI has been fascinating, hasn't it? We've delved into the intricate concept of artificial intelligence, how it has evolved from the realm of science fiction to an integral part of our daily lives. We've seen how it's used today, from smart home devices to sophisticated medical applications, and even explored its future potential. Imagine a world where AI is not just a tool, but a partner, working alongside us, enhancing our capabilities, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. We've glimpsed the possibilities of AI in areas like climate change, healthcare, education, and so much more. Yet, we've barely scratched the surface. The future of AI holds promise and challenges that we can't even fathom today. We're on the brink of a new era, where AI won't just be a part of our lives but an extension of our very selves. In the end, the question isn't whether AI will change our lives, but how much it will. And as we've seen, that potential is virtually limitless.